Top of the morning, evening, night, or day, ladies and gentlemen. This is me here today on behalf of Well Prepared Man. I hope everyone's well and good. Roll the intro.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain and the following video is for subscribed devices only.
In today's video, we're gonna unbox my new shoes and my new trousers, which are actually just new to me, not new to this world. Why do I explain things in a weird way? Vinted has kind of changed my life in more ways than one. It showed me that I can rebuild my wardrobe, as in stop wearing Primark and Decathlon's clothes. Nothing wrong with Decathlon's clothes. Some of them are actually really useful, like my merino wool underlayers. I actually really enjoy that. But when it comes to style, they're very basic, and I've been sticking to a basic style for a reason. It's affordable, and for where I was in my life, it was really what I needed. But Vintage showed me that I can rebuild my wardrobe and actually look stylish without having to sell my kidney. So here we are. We got two more pieces that I picked up recently. And the first one is a pair of shoes. The second one that we have here is my brand new trousers. And we're actually going to start here because I'm curious to see how they look and if they fit me. Here we are. We've got our dedicated pocket knife. And we are in. Something that I really like about these trousers straight away is the color. They're kind of mustard looking and I dig it. It goes well with a lot of my outfits. They look pretty cool. I've become a fan of trousers of this style. And when I say this style, I mean trousers that aren't tracksuit bottoms and have these cords over here so I don't have to use a belt. And essentially, it's a really clean look. These actually fit me in size. And if you're wondering, I've got a PT 38 and a waist 28. It doesn't say, but I believe that's what I ordered online. Bring a bit of variety to my outfits, and that's cool. The second thing that we have here is a new pair of shoes. Like I said, Vinted has changed a lot of things in my life. And the biggest one has been how many shoes I own. Now, before I found Vinted, I had 3 pairs of shoes. And I thought that that was good enough. But then I found out how cheap the shoes that I normally buy are on Vinted. And I was like, wow, I'm generally wasting the money if I'm using my money in the store. So I just bought loads of shoes on Vinted. And this is my latest pair. We got some Vans slip-on, which need to go in the washer. They look really cool. I really like how simple the shoe is and stylish at the same time. It's really a very versatile shoe. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, and you still look great regardless. So I bought some blue ones. I'm currently wearing this exact same shoe but in black. And I've got some white ones. So I'm starting to create style is not the right word, taste. I'm starting to develop a taste when it comes to shoes, which is good. It makes me feel like I can always go back to that and look good. So yeah, here they are. Now the soles are in pretty good condition, as you guys can see. It's actually this way around. And the rest of the shoe is not too bad either. Let me show you the back here. As you can see, it's still got the Van logo intact, so it hasn't walked a lot. Inside, it still says Vans in both shoes. In the back, we got no rips. And I bought these shoes for 15 euros. So overall, a sweet deal. Actually, these two together really make for a nice outfit. What do you guys think? Anyway, thank you for sticking with me up until the end. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and feel free to share in the comments some of the awesome deals that you made on Vinted. In the meantime, I'm gonna love you and leave you to have the rest of an amazing day. This is your boy, logging out. Peace!